This video tutorial I will explain how to uninstall Tomcat using yum package manager from Amazon EC2 Linux instance, or how to uninstall or remove packages from Linux operating system. To remove package from Linux or uninstall software, we can use these two commands. Yum remove, then we have to mention the package name, or yum erase, we have to mention the package name. Only root users and users added to sudo users group have permission to install and remove packages in Linux operating system. And unnecessary packages slow down system performance and it takes up storage space. And if specific software isn't being used, then it is best to remove it. And we can do very easily. Here you can see the AWS console, and here I have started the instance. And copy this public IPv4 address. I want to uninstall the Tomcat software. So do this mlist tomcat star, and it will list what and all packages installed related to Tomcat. Here you can see install packages, and these are the install packages. And to uninstall, we have to use sudo command, sudo yum remove tomcat. Click on enter, and here it is showing the summary. It is going to remove this Tomcat and also these dependencies. And if you want to uninstall, you have to put yes and then enter. If you don't want to uninstall, you put n and go out. And we can use another command to uninstall, which is erase. Instead of remove, sudo yum erase tomcat. And here you can see the summary. It is listing what it is going to remove Tomcat and its dependencies. If you want to uninstall, type Y and enter. If you don't want to uninstall, type N and go out. Now we will see how to remove packages with dependencies using yum. To remove package and erase all unneeded dependencies, we have to use this command, yum auto remove, then package name. And package dependencies are binaries, libraries, and modules on which software rely on. When installing software, it will automatically download and store required dependencies. In most cases, deleting software from local package manager will erase all its dependencies unless other program require them. And still there are instances in which these dependencies have to be removed manually. Sudo yum auto remove tomcat, and here you can see the summary. It is removing tomcat, and it is going to remove these many dependencies. There are around 30 plus dependent packages are there, and if you want to uninstall, you type yes and click on enter. If you don't want to uninstall the tomcat, type n and go out. Suppose you want to remove all the package dependencies. When you use yum remove or yum erase commands, then what we have to do is open the yum configuration file, which is inside the etc folder, yum.config. And in that we have to add this line, directive clean requirement on remove equal to 1, like this. Then when you execute yum remove or yum erase command, all the dependent packages also will be removed. It is act like a yum auto remove package name. Here you can see the etc folder, and here you can see yum.conf file. And in this file we have to add the directive clean requirements on remove equal to 1. In case you need to delete a package but you are unsure about exact file name, in that case you can use this command mlist pipe symbol grep package name, and the output will list all the installed packages with the specified phrase found in the file name. And once you find the exact name of the package you want to erase, then you can uninstall it from your Linux operating system. mlist pipe command grep package name is Tomcat, and here you can see the output. It lists all the packages which is having the name Tomcat. Here you can see the commonly used yum commands. Yum search, which is used to display information about the package. Yum info, which is used to display information about the package. Yum list, list installed and available packages. Yum provides, determine the package that provides a file. Yum downloader, download a package. Yum install, install a package. Yum update, to update a package. Yum remove and yum erase, used to uninstall a package. Here I am using the command yum search tomcat, and we got display information about the package. Here I have used yum info tomcat. Now I am going to uninstall tomcat package. Sudo yum remove tomcat. Click on enter, and it is going to remove this tomcat package and these 5 dependent packages. We have to type y, click on enter, and it is successfully uninstalled. Suppose we want to remove wget package, then we can use this command yum erase wget, and in front of that you have to use sudo command, and it will show what it is going to remove as a summary, and if everything is okay to you, then you have to type y and click on enter, then it will uninstall wget package. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.